Hi guys, so this is part 2 of my Hong Kong series where we will be exploring Lantau Island. So हमारी Panda Hotel से direct connectivity थी to the nearest metro station, that was Daiwo House station. And if you want to explore Hong Kong, then MTR is the best way because it have a great connectivity and at a reasonable cost. And to access any MTR restaurant shopping, you can use this reloadable smart card, which is very convenient and it's just a tap and pay. So Daiwo House से हम लोग जा रहे Lai Keng, for which we have taken the Shuen Wen line, which is also called a red line. And from Lai Keng, we will take the orange line to reach the Tung Chung station, which is also called Nyong Ping 360 for reaching the Lantau Island. Just a 200-meter walk from the Tung Chung station, and then we will be reaching to the cable car terminal where actually the adventure begins. So हमने हमारी सारी activities already pre-book करवाई थी, like the timing and the type of the cable car we want. And ये सारी activities हमने Klook और Expedia Group और directly या तो website से करवाई है. And cable car का experience Hong Kong का one of the best highlight है. Now look at the view. This cable car is one of the longest gondola ride in Asia, which is about 25 minutes one way with the length of 6 kilometers. And as we glided higher, we could see the cherry blossom and the vast South China Sea. So हम लोगों ने क्रिस्टल कैबिन केबल कार बुक करवाई थी. They have a 3 type of option: standard, crystal and crystal plus panoramic. But trust me, there is hardly any difference in crystal and the crystal panoramic. But you can save money if you can go with the crystal. This was totally a paisa vasool ride. इतने scenic view, and look at their massive international airport surrounded by the sea and the lush green mountains. So in spite of cable car, people prefer to go by a track route. They have a proper track to visit Big Buddha. And look, we have spotted Big Buddha from the cable car. And this is not a normal sea bridge. This is the massive sea bridge which connects Hong Kong, Zhuhai and Macau through an underwater tunnel. And even we will be going through this experience when we will visit Macau. And as we stepped out of the cable car, this is the beautiful path we can see, which is more like a scenic walkway where they have restaurant and little shops. And here it is, the inspiring view of the Buddha waiting at the top.
These are real oranges.
So real task is here to climb the 268 stairs, and which is also a climb steep. But हम 30s वाले इन 60s के आगे कुछ नहीं लगते. पापा एंड मौसा जी हमसे पहले वहाँ पहुँच गए थे.
ये लगता है इजी है, बट इजी ट्रैक है नहीं है. कुछ लोग जल्दी आकर ब्लैक सिटी हाँ.
Standing right in front of Buddha, this is the perfect mix of adventure and serenity, like totally a 360-degree view. एंड ये सीन देख के किस किस को तारक मेहता के हांगकांग वाले एपिसोड की याद नहीं आई है. हम सब ने इतनी बार डिस्कस कर लिया था कि यहाँ सिद्ध मोदी आया था, यहाँ दया ने गरबा करा था. लाइक वी आर ट्रू फैन ऑफ तारक मेहता. एंड नीचे आकर तो सबकी हाईलाइट टाइट थी, बिकॉज लास्ट नाइट भी हमारी मिडनाइट की फ़्लाइट थी, तो हम लोग कोई भी सोए नहीं थे. एंड नेक्स्ट डे हम लोग ने मॉर्निंग 10 AM से स्टार्ट कर दिया था डे. So that's a wrap. This was our OOTD, and now we are heading back to our hotel, taking back the memories of this beautiful island. Do visit, and if you want any more additional information, do let me know in the comment section below.